Good morning 9. We have done first problem from set 8.1. Now this is second problem. So when you have this type of problems, you already write what is sine, cos and tan and mark hypotenuse. It becomes very easy. We know sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now look at this, sine x. X is this angle. Okay, x is this angle. So opposite to this angle is what? Side is A upon. Hypotenuse is C. So it will be A upon C. Now tan Z. Z is this angle. Can you see? Okay. Now look at tan ratio opposite upon adjacent. Opposite to this is B. Okay. And adjacent to it is hypotenuse you have to leave. So adjacent is B upon A. Now cos x. What is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Cos of x. Go to x back. So we have adjacent. For x, adjacent is B and hypotenuse is C. So it will be B upon C. Okay. And tan of x. Where is x here? Tan is what? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite to this is A. And adjacent is C is already hypotenuse. So leave. Another adjacent side is B. So A upon B. Have you understood? Isn't it easy? So first of all you mark and then write the ratios. It is very easy for you to understand. Now look at third problem. First they have asked sine of 50. 50 is this angle. Okay. Now sine ratio is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. This is 90, so this is hypotenuse. Always mark hypotenuse first. Alright. Now sine of 50. So sine is opposite. Opposite to 50 is mn. 50 degrees. Opposite side is mn. Upon hypotenuse is ln. Now cos of 50. Cos of this. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. This is opposite. So this is adjacent side. So ln. lm upon hypotenuse is ln. Okay. Now tan of 40 degree. This is 40 degree. Tan ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse you have to leave. In tan opposite upon, but tan of which angle is asked? 40 degrees. So this we have to do. So it will be lm, that is opposite. And for 40 adjacent is, one is hypotenuse and another is hypotenuse we are leaving, mn. Alright. Okay. Now we have cos of 40. Where is 40 here? Cos is what? Adjacent. So mn upon hypotenuse is ln. Done. Very easy, no? Once you understand the concept, it's very scoring also. So please take down each problem in your notebook very neatly. Try to do on your own and then cross check with this video. Now let us go for the fourth problem. Okay? We'll go for the fourth problem. Now let's do directly. This is fourth question. Okay? Now sine of alpha. Alpha is this. What is sine ratio? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. See, for this triangle, this angle is 90, so this will be hypotenuse. For this triangle, this angle is 90. Opposite to this, PS will be hypotenuse. First mark the hypotenuse. So what will be your first answer? You are having sine of alpha. So sine means what? PQ upon PR. So your first will be PQ upon PR. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos of alpha. Now this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent side for alpha. So it will be RQ, or you can write QR. So RQ upon PR. So you have next is RQ upon PR. Tan of alpha. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So PQ upon RQ. PQ upon RQ. All three ratios are clear. Okay. Now let's go for sine theta ratios. Sine of theta. Sine is what? Opposite side. Opposite side is QS, or you can write SQ. Both are correct. Okay. QS upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? PS. Now cos of theta. Cos is adjacent side. This is opposite. This is adjacent for theta. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So it will be PQ upon PS. PQ upon PS. That is cos of theta. And let us go for tan theta. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So QS upon PQ. QS upon PQ. Isn't it easy? Okay students. So we have solved all 4 problems from 8.1. Okay. Please do it neatly in your notebook along with the diagrams. Now let us see another subtopic, that is relation among the trigonometric ratios. What is the relation? Cos theta can be written in terms of sin theta and sin theta can be written in terms of cos theta. So if you want to find sin theta in terms of cos theta, it is always cos of 90 minus theta. Remember this. What does it mean? For example, sine of 30 degrees, theta is my 30 degrees. This is equal to cos of 90 minus 30. That means sine 30 degree will be equal to same as cos of 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees. Are you getting the meaning of cos of 90 minus theta? Okay, so remember this formula. Sin theta is cos of 90 minus theta. This was example, you have to write down this. Write the heading relation among ratios and this is first. Similarly, cos theta can be written as, cos theta is also nothing but sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta. This is second relation. Third relation we have already seen. What is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. This we have seen, I guess. And fourth now we have. Fourth is what? Tan of theta. Tan of theta. If you multiply it with tan of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Then if you carry out this product, it will be always equal to 1. Okay, you will understand meaning after knowing the ratios of actual values of the angles. For example, how much is sin 30, how much is sin 60, and then you would be able to understand this. But as of now, please remember these 4 ratios, or you may say relations. Sin theta is cos of 90 minus theta, cos theta is sin of 90 minus theta, tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, this we have seen, and tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is always equal to 1. Okay, this is very important. Take down this in your notebook, relations. This may be asked for your MCQs or fill in the blanks. Now one more concept which is extremely important because it is required in 10th standard. So base is given in 9th. Theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Suppose there is a triangle and measures of the angles of the triangle are 90, 30 and 60. Then what is the relation? You should know that side opposite to 30. Side opposite to 30 is what? The first relation I am writing according to this. So first I am writing again. Side opposite to 30. Side opposite to 30 is BC is always equal to half. Half means into. Half of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this. Hypotenuse is what? Opposite to 90. That is AC. So BC is always half of AC. You should always remember this. Okay. So side opposite to 30 is nothing but BC and it is half of AC. Similarly, what is side opposite to 60? It is AB. So AB would be equal to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse is AC. Please remember these two values. Extremely important. How many times of hypotenuse is side opposite to 30? So hypotenuse is always half of the side opposite to 30 is always half of the hypotenuse. And side opposite to 60 is root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse. Okay, please remember this. For example, we will take, for example, hypotenuse is 10. Then what would be BC? Opposite to 30 means this will be 5 because it is half. And how much is this? It is root 3 upon 2. So root 3 upon 2 into 10. Again 2 ones are 2 5s are. So this will be 5 root 3. Okay, so if this is 10, opposite to 30 would be 5, opposite to 60 will be 5 into root 3. Is this clear? So 1, 2 and 3. This 4 and this triangle, this is example, so you need not write this. Take down this very neatly in your notebook and remember forever. This is also asked many times. Okay, very important from your 10th standard point of view. So write all these concepts very nicely in your notebook. Okay, and then we will, in the next video, we will see how to remember the trigonometric ratios. There is one trick which we will go in, which I will tell in the next video. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.